Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Bajaj Chetak 3503 marks a bold leap forward for the iconic Indian scooter, blending retro styling with futuristic innovation, reviving a name that has long been etched in the hearts of two-wheeler enthusiasts. Bajaj has infused the new Chetak 3503 with modern tech, an electric heart, and practical features that align with today's urban mobility demands. This scooter doesn't just cater to nostalgia, it paves a new path for premium electric scooters in India. At first glance, the 2025 Chetak 3503 retains its timeless charm with smooth curves, a sleek metal body, and chrome accents that harken back to the original Chetak DNA. But look closer, and you'll spot the cutting-edge design updates that make this version ready for the future. The scooter features a high-definition digital instrument cluster, full LED lighting, and refined finishes that give it an unmistakably upscale feel. With new dual-tone paint options, improved aerodynamics, and a stronger presence on the road, the 3503 commands attention whether it's cruising through city streets or parked at a cafe. Copyright. Under the stylish exterior lies a robust electric powertrain engineered for performance and efficiency. The 2025 Chetak 3503 is powered by a 5.0 kilowatts motor that delivers instant torque, enabling swift acceleration and a top speed of 75 km/h, perfect for daily commutes. Its upgraded lithium-ion battery offers a real-world range of up to 130 km on a single charge, making it more practical than ever. With fast charging support, the battery can be recharged up to 80% in just under 2 hours, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience for busy riders. Bajaj has also focused on refining the ride quality of the Chetak 3503. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better stability and comfort, even on uneven roads. With a well-balanced chassis, larger wheels, and disc brakes on both ends, the scooter offers confident handling and a reassuring braking response. It glides smoothly through traffic and remains planted at higher speeds, giving the rider a composed and confident experience. Technology is where the 2025 Chetak 3503 really begins to shine. The scooter features an advanced connectivity suite that includes Bluetooth pairing, ride analytics, turn-by-turn navigation, and geofencing through the Bajaj Chetak app. Riders can remotely monitor battery status, track their scooter, and even receive theft alerts. A new voice assist function has been introduced to let users control essential functions hands-free, enhancing safety and user experience. Bajaj has truly embraced the smart mobility revolution while staying true to its roots. Another standout feature is the new riding modes Eco, Sport, and Reverse E, which allow the rider to adjust performance according to their needs. Eco mode maximizes efficiency for longer rides, Sport mode unleashes the full power of the motor for zippier performance, and Reverse mode adds a layer of convenience when maneuvering in tight parking spaces. The 2025 Bajaj Chetak 3503 is not just a scooter, it's a statement. It symbolizes the evolution of Indian two-wheelers from gasoline to green, without compromising style or substance. With its solid build quality, modern tech, reliable performance, and a touch of vintage soul, the Chetak 3503 is set to appeal to both traditionalists and trendsetters. Bajaj has crafted a scooter that doesn't just move people, it moves with the times, making it one of the most compelling urban electric scooters of 2025.